Mastering the present perfect tense, unfinished time expressions. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we are going to delve into an exciting aspect of the present perfect tense, unfinished time periods. More specifically, we're going to explore the common time expressions used with these unfinished periods. Understanding these expressions can significantly improve your English speaking and writing skills, so let's get started. First things first, let's clarify what we mean by unfinished time periods. When we talk about these in English, we're referring to time periods that started in the past but continue to the present or are relevant to the present. The present perfect tense is typically used to express such scenarios. For example, I have lived in New York for 5 years. They have been friends since childhood. Now that we've refreshed our understanding of unfinished time periods, let's explore some of the common time expressions used with them. Expressions like for, since, over, in the last, and up to now are often used to indicate the duration or starting point of an unfinished time period. 1. For, used to show duration. I have lived here for 10 years. 2. Since, used to show when the time period started. I have known him since 2010. 3. Over, used to suggest more than a certain period. She has been dancing over an hour. 4. In the last, used to indicate a time period up to the present. We have received several complaints in the last few days. 5. Up to now, so far, until now. These are used to emphasize that the action or situation is still ongoing. Up to now, I have always done my best. To make the most of these expressions, try practicing them in different sentences. Remember, mastering these time expressions requires consistent practice. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on the present perfect tense for unfinished time periods. We've learned about common time expressions used in this context. Make sure to practice these in your everyday conversations and writing. Keep up the good work, and remember, learning a new language is a journey, not a race. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning!